Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve review exercise 1, oral communication learning the sounds. Read the given sentences and circle the words with the silent letters. She is knocking at the door. इसमें के silent letter है. He often wakes up early in the morning. Often में T silent है. Ahmed is an honest man. Honest में H silent है. Don't talk in class. Talk में L silent है. Don't throw wrappers on the road. Wrappers में W जो है ये silent letter है. Write two words with the given diphthongs. OIL boil. SOIL soil. NAIL nail. SAIL sail. OUT out. LOUD loud. COW cow. ROW row. Arrange a role play and introduce yourself and your family. The scene is in a classroom. The teacher is one person and rest of the class is with him. Teacher wants everyone to know each other, so he has introduced this idea of role play. Teacher, welcome to class 4. It is our first day and you all are new to me. Let us do an activity and introduce ourselves and our family. Student first. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali and I am from Lahore. I am recently admitted in this school. My father runs a paper business and my mother is a housewife. I have one brother who is elder than me and two sisters which are younger than me. Second student, hello, I am Hussein and I am also from Lahore. My father is working abroad and I live here with my mother and grandfather. I have one sister that is younger than me. Answer the given question. Where does the caterpillar go for a walk? He goes to the shady leaf. Which part of the world did chocolate come from? Chocolate came from Central and South America. What are the benefits of personal hygiene? Personal hygiene helps us stay healthy, ward off illness, and build better self-awareness. It keeps away germs and bacteria from our body. It maintains our self-esteem. Make at least two words with each given digraph, trigraph and silent letter. CHAIR chair, child. TCH match, catch. K knock, knowledge. SH ship, shop. SCH school, scholar. W write, hole. Read the given words and write their meanings. Heap, bundle. Stalk, the main stem of a plant. Distinguish, to recognize the difference. Furry, covered with fur. Generous, open-handed. Read the given paragraph, circle the countable nouns and underline the uncountable noun, then write them in their rows. Countable nouns: shopping mall, mother, dozen, eggs, cake, cupcake, chocolate, pizza, school party and shirt. And uncountable nouns are rice and sugar. Read the given paragraph carefully and put a tick on the adjective, then write them in their specific columns. Adjective: color blue, quality pretty, size small, big, long, quantity often, origin Russia, shape oval. Write two collective nouns and use them in your own sentences. Army: our army is very strong. Group: a group of boys is sitting there. Write the plurals of the given nouns: mouse, mice, tree, trees, man, men, tooth, teeth, teacher, teachers, child, children. Look at the given picture and write 5 sentences using action verbs. Family is sitting in their living room. Father is watching TV. Mother is talking on phone. A boy is writing in his copy. Cat is playing with a ball. Write a recipe of your favorite dish. Title of recipe: making sandwich. Ingredients: bread, mayonnaise, mustard, cheese, meat, tomato. Recipe: get pieces of bread, put mayonnaise and mustard on it, put cheese on bread, put 2 pieces of meat on the sandwich, add tomatoes, enjoy your sandwich.